Brianna, and I'm here at Summer Science Camp, and today we are dissecting worms, t-shirt dyeing, and like water bottle flipping to see like which one stands and which one doesn't. Summer Science Camp makes science more fun because you're doing activities and you're also learning at the same time.
Here at Summer Science Camp, we get to make ice cream and we get to make spaghetti towers. And you're supposed to make it tall and sustainable, and it has to hold a big marshmallow on top. For dissection on bugs and frogs and worms, yeah, it's a little gross.
My name is Sonia Nelson, and I'm the coordinator for the Davis School District Summer Science Camp. We have 4 sessions, 3 in June and 1 in July. We do different activities from Monday through Thursday. We are doing some engineering activities with water balloon launches, so they actually have to measure the distance that they are pulling their launchers back. We shoot paper rockets, and we are also going to go to the aquarium this year.
Today we went to the aquarium, and in the shark tunnel it was like a big arch, and it was glass, so you could see the sharks and stingrays and fish, and we saw like a ton of there were lobsters and there were a ton of fish, and it's just been really fun here, and I really like it.
The most exciting part of the aquarium was where we got to go and touch the stingrays. The stingrays felt slimy and smooth, and when they moved, they were all wiggly. And if you got to touch under, it was kind of sticky.
There was these, I don't know what they're called, but they were these fish that had lots of cool colors. We got to see penguins, and we got to watch some of them fight. And there was a giant glass tunnel, and then there was sharks above it, and there was a manta ray that would come up and go over you, and so you could watch the manta ray and see its mouth. It was cool.
I'm Brandon Lansing. I'm one of our science camp counselors here, and I actually also work at Morgan Elementary School as a 6th grade teacher in the immersion program. The first area that my group went through today was the South America exhibit. It's always a fun one. We go in, the kids notice right away that it's humid, and we get to talk about why it's humid and the environment that these animals come from. When we get to the top, there's this rope bridge that they can walk across. You have this experience of what it might be like to be in the Amazon rainforest, walking along, seeing animals from above, to understand that the geology, the ecology of the environment is so much different than our own. It's fun for them to see exactly how large fish can be in a river. Here in Utah, it's not something that we see very often in our rivers, and it's also fun to take a look at the poison dart frogs and to just discuss what the difference between what it looks like, what a poison is versus a venom. They're fun to look at though, small, and they're always excited to see them. I love the look on their faces for that one. In the Utah area, it's fun to talk about the fact that these are all animals that we can find here in our local environment. We can see our rainbow trout, the cutthroat trout, a few others that they know, some chubs. We usually spend a while looking at the otters. They were out today and just having a great time playing. Finally, we head into the shark tube, the tunnel there. Students look up to the right, to the left, and they see these sharks swimming by. It's so much fun to see the wonder on students' faces, to be up close and personal with these organisms that they would never have a chance to visit outside of an adventure like this. I hope that students come away from an experience like this with a sense of wonder and curiosity that helps to drive them into becoming better inquisitors, scientists, those who really want to learn more about the world around them and understand it in deeper ways. So our school district does have a summer science camp every summer. This information can definitely be found on our school website. It's a wonderful experience that we hope that every child in the district that wants to take part gets an opportunity to come and join us on our week-long adventures.